Work that fine. Bless you. Monkey, you want to try that? You gotta make sure that it's firm and it won't fall. You know you're drinking her bathwater, right?
He's thirsty.
Your tail looks very pretty in that, though. She's thoroughly enjoying being able to walk across there. Come on, you big baby. Get in there, monkey. You're such a free cat. What, do you want floaties or something?
It's special. He's never had it before. It's a different dish.
There you go. He's got 1 foot in. No.
No.
There we go. There you go.
No.
Here's something else that wants to bath. That was great. I made it tepid water. It's not cold, but it's not hot. I like room temperature almost.
They're getting me wet.
They're getting everything in the room wet. I'm getting splashed over here.
Ready? Set?
Oh. Oh, goodness, monkey.
Monkey's done. Paris is like, nope.
It's like at the end of the day when everybody gets out of the pool.